I invited my honey, the only Big B, to help me make some steak. So the key to a good steak, make sure you rinse them off. I know everyone doesn't do that. Getting them from the butcher, getting them from the deli, I just like to rinse them off first. Make sure you pat them dry. That's gonna help you get that good char on it. I don't like a wet steak. I like them dry, get that good char on the fat and on the steak. So we're going to put down our wine first.
Of course we are, of course. Hey, look, I wouldn't be drinking my wine if my name wasn't Brian. So it goes down with that super rhyme. You know what I'm saying? So what are we gonna do?
That's biodynamic and organic, by the way.
That's
guys.
right, that's right.
We're gonna start with a layer of pink Himalayan sea salt, light layer on top of
Let's go. Let me get the Himalayan sea salt. Give it a few twists. Lightly salted on the top. Yeah, buddy. That's about it right there.
Let's see the
Oh, the rest of them. Oh, I didn't see them over there. Here we go. We got some more. We gotta finish all of these. Yeah, buddy, this is a good workout. Yeah.
You should get the artwork.
You know what I'm saying? Get my forearms right and tight.
Then you're gonna do, we love this dry rub seasoning from Trader Joe's. So look, they're not paying us for this, but this is just what I use. This is dry rub with coffee and garlic. So good on steak. Now we're ready for our dry rub for our steak. This is from Trader Joe's. Again, we don't have a partnership with them.
No partnership.
But we're open to a Trader Joe's.
It's not a plug. It's not a plug.
This is a dry coffee rub that I love to use on steak. So you're gonna do a good layer of that.
Yeah, buddy, you see this big tomahawk. I bet you can't guess which one of these steaks is mine and which one is hers. Yep, you guessed right. That's hers. This is mine. It goes down. Let me season it. Okay. Yeah, buddy, make sure you cover it.
Okay,
I'm not making no mess.
get closer to
Closer
the
than
meat.
close.
There you go,
Closer than close.
Why are you being so gentle with the steak this
All
season?
right, okay. All right, here we go.
All
You get
right.
some over here too.
Okay.
You get some on your steaks.
Why are you being
buddy.
too gentle with the seasoning? We
Yeah,
want it to
buddy.
taste good. Okay.
Got these lamb chops.
Yeah.
We doing a damn thing today. You know what I'm saying?
All right. So you want to make sure you pat the seasoning. So I'll give you an example. Pat it in there. Pat the seasoning in the meat. Healthy food does not have to suck. Season your food. So get the pat. Like, don't be gentle with me.
So this pat it like I pat you?
Honey. No. I said gentle.
I'm patting it. I'm patting it. Hold on.
Wait,
Let me pat.
you're making a mess.
I was thinking about how you know they say about couples that pat together stay together.
Okay.
It goes down.
My family's
You know what I'm
watching
saying?
this.
That's okay. Hey y'all. I'm patting.
Pat the seasoning
I'm patting.
in. You're making a mess.
I'm patting.
All right, so
patting.
gently pat the lamb chop.
Patting.
Okay,
I'm
we're
patting.
gonna pat.
Patting.
So I also
I'm
want to mention,
patting.
okay, you're
Okay.
done.
I'm done.
Also notice, you want to season all sides of the meat. So see the lamb chops, make sure you're seasoning all sides or it's gonna make your food taste bland. Same thing with the steak, we got all sides seasoned, and now.
They say that couples that cook together, stay together. It goes down. It's with your boy Big B and Nikki J.
As we're headed to the grill.
Time out. Y'all see this big ass steak right here? This is not just a regular ribeye. It's not a porterhouse. It is a tomahawk. Yeah, buddy, it goes down. So we got tomahawks. We got lamb chops. We got ribeyes. And then we got the fish basket. So let me flip this fish basket for you one time. Bam! And it goes down. Now this is the monkfish.
That's the monkfish.
That's what my wife had said.
So we
This is the
season
monkfish.
everything. Y'all saw us. Season everything. Season your food. And we're grilling it up.
And it goes down. Hold on.
Everything only needs like 5 minutes on this side.
That's all. Let me flip this. Let me flip this real quick. Bam. Yeah, buddy. Tomahawk in the house. And monkfish. It goes down. 2 fingers and we out.